Ladies and gentlemen, XRP has finally made history. On most exchanges, XRP has now broken to a new all-time high. And again, even if we're going off of the average all-time high, yes, XRP has broken to a new all-time high. And this is very exciting. But guys, the entire market has just erupted. And we have to address this. We have to talk about it because now is a very exciting time to not just be a crypto holder, but to just be a participant in this entire space. So guys, we are a part of history. We are watching history being made, and this is so damn exciting. So with that being said, welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. And also, if you guys are not in the free Discord, what are you guys waiting for? Join up. You won't regret it. There's a link down in the description below. And with that being said, let's dive on in. The overall market cap for crypto is trading at about $3.5 trillion. Fear and greed back to neutral territory around 57, and dominance on Bitcoin is dropping while XRP is sneaking above the 5% level at 5.3%. This is very, very significant to watch because we are rallying against Ethereum. We are roughly almost 50% away from breaking above Ethereum. This is very exciting to see. Now, one thing that I want to say here, and one thing that I want to address is the entire market. I put out a post yesterday regarding how many people are probably on the sidelines right now in disbelief. We have HBAR going crazy, XRP melting faces, Algo going insane, XDC printing money, and many other altcoins are also pumping too. But this is just the beginning of the much bigger move. I hope you have all prepared accordingly. Now, with this, right, we do have a lot of people in disbelief. Yesterday, there was a big article that got released talking about Trump eyeing a U.S. crypto reserve. I put out a post saying breaking, President Donald Trump is open to creating an America first strategic reserve that prioritizes cryptocurrencies such as Hedera, HBAR, XRP, and various other American-based cryptos. Because again, it's all about American-based projects. When we think about this, right? This was the announcement. Now, they mentioned Solana and XRP and potentially, Bitcoin. Now, mind you, this is US-based projects. The reason why I said Hedera, the reason why I said HBAR is because at the end of the day, it is a US-based project, and Hedera is extremely compliant, fully regulated. They've been pushing incredible products, so it just makes sense for Hedera to be included in this. We don't know what's going to happen with this, obviously, but a ton of bullish news is happening around this space because of this new pro-crypto admin. Now, mind you, we are 3 days away. Guys, we are 72 hours away from this new pro-crypto admin taking office and a complete change happening in this space. This is very important to focus on. But what's crazy about this is that XRP has been going insane, as you guys are probably already aware of. In the last 7 days, it's up 44%. In the last month, it's up 30%. In the last year, it's up over 470%. I bring this up because XRP has been going on a historical run. If we look at the all-time chart here, we are rallying right against those highs. Now, again, I go off of this 384 level simply because that's what coin market cap is going off of. But we have broken over all-time highs. And the most significant thing here to focus on is the weekly candle close, which we will also address in this video. But before we get into that, I also have to mention Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin has now broken over $100,000 as well, nearing 102K. This is rallying almost against the monthly high here. We have those highs back there in the beginning of December, the middle of December. We also have to break over those, but it feels like the entire market is just, it's building and building and building for the next 72 hours. and we are about to witness a much larger move. But I want to go back to the XRP move because what's crazy about this is that we now have a lot of FUD coming out, and it's mainly because of people in disbelief. This got posted by Unchained Pod. Again, we don't know who this, company is. We don't know who, this player is, but this was reported by these two random individuals. Now, one is an ex-Coindesk. This other one we don't really know about. But what's funny is that we have likely false rumors of altcoin reserve send XRP and Solana prices soaring. In light of the speculation, XRP is among the most traded tokens on Coinbase and Binance, climbing to a 7-year high of almost $3.40. The thing about this isn't some sort of rumor or, speculation. We know that Trump has been looking into a reserve around crypto for a while. And he also is fully supporting US-based crypto projects. This is not some sort of, speculative, idea or, falsified rumors. It's just shocking to me that we still have this going on in the space. By the way, this is not the first post by Unchained Pod. The other one got deleted, but we have from Stuart Alderati responding to it saying, wow, unnamed sources. Here's a named source, me. The rumors published by the third tier crypto reg are pure fiction, completely made up. Wonder who's behind this. And we have Unchained, which no one has ever heard of, has 20,000 followers. And if you scroll their feed, you'll see they frequently get 1 like per post. Unfortunately, people can't smell through that. Glad you chimed in. So yeah, listen, the CLO of Ripple is responding saying that these are just this is just ridiculous. This is ridiculous. And it is cope. It is copium. Listen, a lot of people are in disbelief right now because they thought that this was not going to happen. We also have from Tony Edward. He responded saying, laugh out loud, likely false rumor sent XRP's price soaring. XRP has been pumping since November, breaking multiple bull flags and more. These anonymous sources are either haters or short sellers or both. Seen this BS before. The great thing is news articles don't mean jack unless you weaponize the SEC like in 2020. And yet, nothing is stopping XRP here. Nothing. We have over here from Johnny Dean. Earlier, with XRP rising, I said we will see a significant increase in tribalism and FUD. We will also see an increase in anonymous reporting making claims against one crypto project or another. XRP is always a prime target, but so are other projects, including Bitcoin. If this reporting was accurate, I doubt the GC of Ripple would come out this strong denying it. So, when we think about this, right? Yeah, it feels as though there's a lot of inside information that we are just not aware of. Remember that, Stuart Alderati as well as Brad Garlinghouse did meet with Trump. It wouldn't surprise me if, there was possibly discussions around the escrow being utilized for, a U.S. reserve or, whatever the case may be. You got to remember that Ripple has been a U.S.-based company for a very long time. Even though 90% of their clients are outside of the U.S., I'm sure that Donald Trump wants to change that. So if we're thinking about this, why wouldn't the new president that wants to fully embrace crypto, support crypto, he's pro-crypto, why wouldn't he work with Ripple to embrace XRP in the US? It just makes sense. But let's go back to the charts real quick because I do want to address the charts a little bit because in the last couple weeks, what I have been saying is we want to watch Bitcoin break to the upper, trend line here, break through this, possibly retest it, and then continue even higher. And right now, we are so close to taking out these previous highs from roughly the beginning of January. This is a very exciting time in this space. I do think that everyone should be paying close attention to what Bitcoin is about to do because if we start to break above these previous highs from the middle of December, just like XRP just did, then we are about to see $120,000 for Bitcoin. But in the last couple, days or weeks or so, I've also been saying when Bitcoin finally starts to break out or chops to the side while Bitcoin dominance does continue to get weaker, which by the way, it's getting weaker. We have these on the macro, even on the daily chart, we have lower highs. We're waiting for lower lows, but we are going to see altcoins absolutely send. And that's exactly what's happening here with XRP. XRP has played perfectly into my path. And this has been something that I've been charting since going all the way back to like roughly the beginning of January. So I love to see this happening. We're now into the zone here. This whole zone is just all-time highs for XRP across the board. Once we break above this, listen, it doesn't matter what you think the all-time high for XRP is. All those targets are going to be broken. We're about to see a $4 plus XRP. And what's crazier about all of this is that the XRP Bitcoin pair on the weekly, which is less than 72 hours away, it's about to close over the candle bodies of November of 2020. So we are about to witness one of the largest weekly closes. If this does maintain this momentum, we are about to see one of the largest weekly closes on the XRP Bitcoin pair since going all the way back to 2019. That's how bullish XRP right now is against Bitcoin and in this market. And I don't think I need to tell you guys that, yes, XRP dominance has been going insane, breaking over crucial levels that I have utilized to make price predictions for XRP. Right now, XRP is more bullish than almost anything in this space. But again, the issue here is that we are going to have a lot of people in disbelief, spreading false news, spreading, these falsified claims. I want you guys to understand that this is how much XRP hate has been in this space for years now. So when things like this happen, people really do show their true colors. We have watched every single Ethereum maxi, every single Bitcoin maxi, every single other altcoin maxi that has hated on XRP, talked down on XRP for years and years and years. They have now completely flipped and said, hey, guess what? XRP is very bullish. I've been holding XRP for years. This is why you need to be holding XRP. It's just so funny how everyone has been flipping on XRP. And this is also something that I have been talking about on X as well. I said, wow, all the XRP hating reply guys are suddenly silent. And yeah, listen, as we really look at what's happening here, if XRP did start to reject, if XRP did have a nice little sell-off or so, everyone would come out of the woodwork saying, all right, yep, I told you guys XRP's garbage, XRP's this, XRP's that. Because what have we noticed so far this run? Well, let's go all the way back here to December 3rd, right? When we hit this upper trend line, when we started to sell off down to like almost, sub $2, everyone was saying, look at XRP's back sub $2. It's done. Told you guys, no all-time high. But then when we start to break to the upside a little bit more, even when we start to reclaim some crucial highs here, again, lower time frames, higher highs, where were they? There's always those reply guys when we start to see a little bit of a sell-off. I even see it on YouTube. A lot of the comments will say like, oh, XRP is still trading at, $2.50, $2.40. Like, I have witnessed these same people saying this. They were saying XRP was trading at 50 cents when XRP was at 50 cents. I could almost guarantee you that they did not buy. They're now, angry. They're in disbelief and they're shocked. But XRP has been making history, and I look forward to it breaking over 385. I see XRP hitting $4 probably by the end of, I wouldn't be surprised if it was by the end of this month. But we would definitely be looking at more so like the mid of February. But I do think that XRP is more bullish now than ever before. And yeah, I definitely think everyone should be prepared for what comes next, because I do think that this is going to shock a lot of people. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.